Sobrang rare magkaroon ng race turbo sa showroom. So, we're gonna shoot this right now. Sobrang bilis lang. But before we start, of course, remind ko lang, pwede kayo mag-transfer ng approval dito. Just in case may approval kayo sa ibang brands, transfer nyo dito, right? Then, meron kaming trade-in. But guys, bago nyo dalhin yung unit nyo dito, of course, appointment muna tayo. Okay? Baka mamaya pumunta kayo dito, wala yung appraisers. Diba? Baka saan kayo mag-at. And dun sa mga nagko-comment na wala daw price, guys, sinasadya ako nga walang price eh. Kasi nga ba maya magkaroon ng price increase, tapos ending, kayo naman yung magagalit dahil mali yung price. Alright? Simulan natin Race Turbo. So, this is the Race Turbo, color yellow. And sisimulan natin siya, of course, inside agad. And by the way, this is the side mirror with integrated signal light. Yan ah. Ganda. And this side mirror is with blind spot monitoring, safety feature. Right? Sa mga hindi alam yan, blind spot monitoring, of course, from the word itself, kapag merong approaching sa blind spot mo, umiilaw siya. Just to make you aware na hindi tayo basta-basta liliko. Okay? So, door handle is chrome. Yan, same. Ganda. Meron tong smart entry, this one. These two lines. I hope nakikita nyo ah. Yan, two lines na yan. So, yan. Pwede mag-unlock yung door dyan. Okay? Hindi mo siya kailangan i-push ah. Ilalagay mo lang yung thumb mo like this. Okay? Let's go inside. Alright. Nice. So, meron siyang silver accent sa door. And ito yung window panel design niya. Okay? Window controls. So, meron siyang auto-fold being the top of the line. So, pwede mo siya i-fold and unfold. Meron ditong cursor. And yung adjustment natin for both side mirrors. Okay? Ito yung hawakan niya. And this one is leather, ah. Hindi to plastic, ah. But this one is plastic. Alright? Cup holder. Extended cup holder. Then, speaker. Then, being the top of the line, meron tong seat height adjuster. Very nice. Right. Then, sandalan. Adjustment ng sandalan. Okay? Pang-open ng gas. Ito, okay, kita nyo? It's nice. And, pang-open ng hood. Okay? So, parking sensors. Right? This one is the parking sensor. And the traction. Then again, guys, ito, if you're wondering about this, ang daming panel. Pero walang pindutan. So, abang yan, ha. In the future, just in case gusto nyo to i-upgrade tong Race Turbo nyo, like adding more fog lights or anything, so dito nyo ilalagay yung button. Right? So, retractable cup holder. Nice. Ganda. That's the retractable cup holder. Ito yung aircon vent niya. Ganda. Okay. So, let's head inside. So, this is the cursor. By the way, ito yung cursor na to. This one is to navigate the multi-information display. So, yung mga settings ng vehicle nandito, right? Yan sa multi-information display. So, di lang siya accessible ngayon, of course, dahil naka-off yung engine. So, ito, trip meter. Back button. So, voice command. Volume control. And ito yung design ng busina niya. Okay? Meron tayong silver accent here. And ito, this one, the steering wheel is leather. Right? Then, the shortcut button, the mode. Kita niyo yung mode. Nice. So, you can use this habang, while driving. Habang pinipindot mo yan, you can cycle between AM, FM, FM2, Bluetooth, alright? Skip music, answer call, then meron tong power mode. Alright? This one, sa power mode, mas magiging aggressive yung engine. Ang ganda niyan. Gusto mo ng overtake, arangkada, right? Uphill, yan. You can use this, the power mode. Then, meron tong paddle shift. Kita niyo ba? This one. This one is the paddle shift. Then also here. This one is the plus. Then minus. Okay. Nice. Monitor niya is this one. Ang laki niya. Actually, ito yung kamay ko. Kita nyo. Ang laki niya. Okay. So, of course, being the top of the line, meron Apple and Android connectivity. Okay. Then, hazard button. Yan. Yung design ng vent niya, aircon vent niya. And, push start. Ganda. Very convenient. Right. So, rotary yung design ng ating aircon. Then, thermostat. Air circulation. Right. Rear defogger. Nice. Then, temperature control. Okay. This one is the off button. Of course, simply. Kung gusto mo siyang patayin yung aircon. Then, this one is Automax. Alright. Okay. Then, meron tayong power supply dito na classic. Yung bilog. Old school niyan, yung pang lighter. And, power supply, again, dalawang USB port. Okay. Pwede pang charge. Right. And connectivity nung Android natin, CarPlay. So, inline yung design natin, yung shift knob. By the way, meron yung button dito, under, nandito sa likod. So, before you can change your drive mode, you have to push this button behind. Okay, nandito, Okay, linaw niyan, So, park, reverse, neutral, drive, plus, minus. Pwede ka mag-plus, minus dito sa shift knob, or by using this paddle shifter. Okay. Right. Then, dito merong small pocket. I think pwedeng lagay ng phone. And, the classic handbrake. Ako, personally, sa akin, sa opinion ko, mas gusto ko yan. Versus the electronic. So, yan. Meron tayong small pocket dito. Nice. And, the seat design. So, combination siya. Okay. Ito, this one is fabric. Okay, kita nyo yung design. Then, combined with leather. Leather. Gray stitching. Then, dito merong suede na gray. Yan, light gray. Right? So, nice. So, bihirang may unit nito, guys. I suggest, tawag muna kayo para ma-check ko muna kung may unit. By the way, large division kami versus other dealers na maliliit na laging madalas na walang unit. So, the glove box. And, at the passenger side, meron pa rin, of course. Yeah, cup holder. Retractable. That's the aircon vent. Door panel, yan. Meron tayong window control done. Then, under is dalawang cup holder. Nice, and the extended version. Right. Okay. At the headliner is yan. Paborito ng ating misis or ng girlfriend mo. Merong salamin. And front cabin light. So meron tong door function. Nice. Right. And yan, pwede mo siya, ayan, just push it. Bubukas na siya. Then ito meron tayong reminder para dun sa mga hindi pala naka-seatbelt. Right? Side mirror. Okay, then sa driver's side, meron pa rin itong mirror. Nice. That's it. That's the front row. And let's head to the... And by the way, being the turbo, marami tong airbags. Okay, pakita ko, Ayan, dito, merong airbag. Yan. Also at the other side, another airbag, right? So hindi sinasuggest na lagay kayong seat cover for this just because meron ding airbags yung mga seat cover na. Etong ano niya, upuan niya. Okay? Yan, being the top of the line, marami tong airbags. So let's head to the second row. Yan. So the turquoise and this yellow color is very rare. I suggest, madalas ma-offer ko nito agad sa inyo is the white pearl, the all white, the monotone, or the black top. Right? So that's the look ng door panel niya. Right? Isang cup holder. Right? And that's the door handle, door mechanism niya. Okay, the lock. Nice. This one is plastic, all plastic. Okay. So, yan, dinesign niya maging plastic para mas lighter yung vehicle, then mas hindi hirap yung engine. Right? So, same goes dito sa design nito. Yan, fabric combination with leather. Right? Tatlo yung headrest natin, guys. Yan. Right? Nice. This one is leather. Okay, meron tayong center cabin light. Right? So, meron din yung door function. Very nice. And I hope mabuksan ko yung likod. Dahil, madalas, minsan, walang battery charge yung naka-display nating unit. Ayun! Right? Luckily. So, this one, meron tong tonneau cover. By the way, this cover is not meant for na maging patungan dahil malambot siya, guys. So, this one is meant for privacy. Right? Just in case meron kayong cargo, personal belongings dyan na, syempre, at least hindi makita nung mga taong naglalakad. Yeah. Right? Just in case familiar kayo sa mga basag salamin. Okay? So, yan, ginawa yan para at least, baka mamaya may laptop ka dyan or backpack. Kapag interesan, basagin yung salamin mo. So, this one is pang cover lang talaga siya. Right. Pwede kayong magpatong yung mga light lang, okay. So para i-retract naman tong second row, ito ito yung hawakan and another, yan. So magko-collapse yan itong full second row. Pwede mo na siya lagyan ng mas malaking cargo space. Right? So yan magfa-flat yung second row. Pagbagsak, mas malaki na yung cargo space mo. Okay? So, ang ganda. Ang spare tire natin is also mags. Right? Hindi siya steel rim. Very nice. Okay? So, yan meron tayong ilaw sa likod Ang support lang, just in case madilim yung area na pupuntahan natin. And being the turbo, meron tayong dalawang backing sensor, guys. This one. Same goes there. Right? Meron tayong reflector. Okay, see that? Ganda. Okay. Nice. So, ang gagawin na natin next is ikutan naman natin to. Okay. So, yan. Ang ganda ng tail light niya. Yan. Nag-run siya dyan. Okay. Nice. And meron tayong third mount stoplight for added safety. And shark fin antenna. Right, nice. Ganda. And ito, rear wiper. Very nice. Pakita ko lang tong race emblem. Right, nice. Ganda. So, the mags design is this one. Teka, dun sa kabila, mas malinaw So, the mags design is this one. And the mag size is 17. So, currently, ang nakakabit dito na tire is Dunlop. Okay. Nice. So, by the way, ang race turbo natin is black top. Okay. See that? That's black. So, nagkaiba lang to sa race turbo na white pearl just because meron monotone version yun, the all white color. Okay, so that's so let's check this out. So see the headlight. Nice. This one is LED. Yeah, being the top of the line. Yan. Okay, meron tong na-mention kanina, parking sensors. Right? Ito yung sensor niya. Okay? And the fog lights. Ganda. So, daytime running light. And this one, honeycomb design. Right? So, that's the race turbo, guys. So, that's the race turbo. Yan, uulit-ulitin ko lang. Sobrang very rare magkaroon yan. Also, the turquoise version for the turbo. Right? So, before I end, ito naman lagi outro ko, of course. Meron kaming trade-in, just like I mentioned earlier. Most brands natanggap namin, pero by appointment. And again, pwede mo i-transfer yung approval mo dito. Meron ka approval sa ibang brands, ayaw mo, nagbago isip mo, transfer mo dito. And that's just it. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Visit my YouTube and TikTok. Bye.